Hi guys, and welcome to my film or tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to add effects and how to add elements. This is the same video which we had been working on. So let's get into the show. So let's see what is effects here. So you can just double click on it. Let us see what is going to happen. This one over here, and this is a bad TV signal, right? And some of this is even black and white. Okay, we're going to just drag this black and white over here, and let's play.
Time, the prince, after doing this task, carried on his journey.
Oh my god, it looks really awkward. I'm gonna just delete this here. I'm gonna just press this border, right? It looks very simple. Okay.
On the journey, he met the third door, which was written as "Change yourself."
Yes, you can see how it really worked on. You can just drag it to this entire duration of this video, or you really want to push it up. So you want to see a border in this video. So let's go what happens, right?
Hi and welcome to my video on 6 doors to life.
So I'm just going to press this and I'm going to just delete this. Let us see what are the some other types. It's shake, right? What is chaos? Okay, it looks like a mild shake, right? Okay, we're going to just apply it over here in our video and just going to extend a little bit. Now just let us see what happens. I'm going to play from here.
Prince witnessed the second door on his journey. The second door was written, "Go change the people." So the prince again took a great deal of effort that he wanted to change the people according to what all he thought, or according to what all his ideologies or what all his teachings that he has.
You can see how it really worked out. Right now I'm going to delete this here. So you can see the different types of effects here. This is some kind of fox film. This is like nightlife, background blur, lomography, black and white. So I don't know how it's going to look now. Okay, let's try black and white for some time. So I'm not going to play. Yeah, I think this looks really better, right?
Change yourself. The prince understood the meaning of this.
So this is how it is going to really work out, and you can just keep on playing around it. When you go to media, you will see these are the purchased film or effects. You have other. Okay, let's see some kind of different kind of frames here. Okay, so I think it looks like a Chinese theme. So once again,
door, and he took a great deal of it.
You can just play around with this kind of effects, and if you want to mark any effect as your favorite, just go press right click into your mouse and add to favorite. So it will come here in your favorite. I don't want this in my favorite right now. Okay, so this is it is all about effects and nothing but filters. Now let's go to elements now. Okay, I'm going to just double press here. What is going to happen? Oh my god. This is arrow. Okay, this is some kind of bell symbol. Okay, I'm going to just take this arrow and drop it here. Let's see what happens.
Effort in changing himself. He learned new things.
But the big thing is that many of the effects you will not be able to drag it. There is a fixed timeline for this, and if you really want to keep on continuously doing it, I think you really need to add it on. Now let's see. I'm just adding 2 arrows here.
Of this door, and he took a great deal of effort in changing himself. He learned new things. He had got a great deal of new wisdom.
So you can really see how this works on. I'm going to just delete this. Okay, then there are many other types here, right? we'll go to some of the things, right? Elemental earth. Okay, I think we can play around with this. So I'm going to teach you how to do it here. You're going to just keep this timeline over here. We're going to just play it once again. So
made a great amount of change in myself rather than me.
So you can see how it really works, right? See, I just I'm just going to keep it here. So I don't want this in a full screen, so I'm going to just so you know how to work on with this element. So we'll see what happens right now. I'm going to just put it here. Okay, so let's play it once again.
Greatest doors that I have witnessed. It made a great amount of change in myself rather than.
It looks kind of odd, right? So I'm going to delete it here. So there are actually many kind of elements here. You can just add into the screen. You will be able to minimize also. Okay, let's go to special effects. Okay, so let's see what this banana does or coin does for us. Okay, this is a cap, so I'm gonna just put it here, and let me just go and double click it here. Okay, right. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm gonna just okay. So you can see, guys, what I'm really trying some foolish things, but still
and me trying to change this world or me trying to change the people. So this great learned master.
You can see how you can add this elements over in this, and you can resize and shape. Let's look what is VFX. It is some kind of bullet explosions. Okay, man, these are some kind of cool laser here. Okay, let's go for love, because everybody loves love, right? I'm going to just drag it here. Okay, go play this.
So the prince was kind of very puzzled. He thought that he had learned the great wisdom of the world. So as per the instructions of this great master, he still continued his journey.
This
on the way.
Cool, isn't it? So you have many different options for this elements. So when you want to do a tutorial like this, when you want to tell them just go and click it here, or this kind of elements or circle or something else, you can just add it. Let us see what is going to happen now. I'm going to keep this. I'm just going to double click it here, so you can see. So I'm going to indicate some kind of graph. If my presentation is about some graph or something which I want to indicate to the viewers.
So all his complaints, all his dissatisfaction towards his life has reduced to a great extent after he started accept.
So this is how you can add elements into your videos, and you can make your videos. Just when you do have time, just go through those elements. So it will be very helpful in creating a tutorial videos. There are also emojis. Just let us double click on emoji and see what happens. Wow, I think I'm gonna add this emoji right now. So okay, I'm gonna just double click. When you want to resize the emoji, as you keep your line here, and go when the emoji comes, go and double click on the screen, then reduce the size of the emoji, and you can just wait just a minute. I'm just going to keep it here. Now let's
understood that it is not good enough to change the world based upon his ideologies, and it is proper and it would be highly wisdomatic to him to understand or accept the world as.
So this is some kind of effects and elements which you can make in, which you can put it into your video and make your videos interesting. Thanks guys for watching this tutorial. I'll meet you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye.